Hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Edward White. If you are new here, I'm a creative entrepreneur based in the UK. I make videos around I make videos around building my businesses, productivity, and now hopefully YouTube, because it's something that I want to take more seriously, and it's something that I am, it's one of my goals this year basically. I wanted to make a video around my plan for the YouTube setup. So I'm going to take you on a little tour of what I've got now, how it looks, and then my sort of plans, and then I want to see how it comes together. So this is basically me just documenting, trying to make a YouTube space, okay? So let me show you what I've got now. So, let me take you out. Right, this is my house. This is my little office area that I converted into a space. Got a, right, let me show you. Turn the light on. Right, got a chalkboard wall there, which I love it for sharing, brain dumping ideas. It's really effective. Bookshelf there. I've set that light up and moved it across a bit. I broke it a little bit today, but don't tell anyone. And then I've got this wall here. This is a window behind here, but I'm using it to hopefully get rid of some of the sound because it's quite echo in here. And then so right, I want to tell you my plans for the space. So we come back here. And look, this is the whole sort of space here. I am thinking that I want to get a desk in there, and I want a standing desk mixing. And then I'm thinking I could film YouTube videos from this sort of angle, maybe even get a smaller lens, but yeah, film it from this sort of angle and have the background with make a bookcase and stuff like that, make it look really nice. And I think it will look cool. But I kind of want to know your ideas. I want to have a setup that I can just go, I want to record a video. I want to do it. Oldie beams, which are really hard to put anything on. Ceiling, again, really hard to put anything on. And wall, really hard to put anything on. But yeah, if you've got any ideas, please let me know. I kind of like this idea of the light and stuff. I'm definitely gonna get, this is one from my bedroom that I had to take out. But yeah, getting a shelf over there, making that into a bookcase area with a light like this one, I think would be quite cool, and I think would work quite well. Yeah, let me know, wait. Let's put you back there. Make the light look all nice again. Yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts around the YouTube space. If you've seen any videos that you think look really cool, or any ideas that you would have for me. I really struggle with the background. I really hate my background. I think it looks rubbish, and I'm not sure why. I don't know. I quite like this one, but it took a lot of time to set up and get the angles right and stuff. But maybe trying to develop it, I will work out the best sort of places that I can put things, and maybe get something set up that a camera just can attach to something and I can instantly film like that. I want to say thank you so much for watching my little ramblings going on. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Again, just a brain dump, a different kind of idea. I would love to hear your thoughts around YouTube videos, and if you're creating anything or any spaces or anything, or if you've seen any spaces that you think work really well, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching.